In this video, we are going to talk about the manipulating tools, which are also called filters in Photoshop. So if we're looking at this image here, we have the city as a background with the dog as a layer, the cape as a layer, and King Kong as a layer. We can take something that's on a layer and manipulate it with using filters to make it look like something other than a photograph. So the way that we do that is to click on the layer you want to affect. So in this case, the dog layer. Let's make this a little bit bigger. The dog layer. And then go up to filter and then filter gallery. This will come up and you have lots of options. Actually, down here in the left corner, you can make it look a little bit bigger so you can see it better. I could make it look like it was done with colored pencil, or film grain, or smudge stick, or watercolor. There are things such as crosshatch, or splatter paint, or ink outlines. There's all kinds of things that make it look like it's under glass, or rippled by water. There's some sketch tools as well. So to make it look like it was a stamp, or a photocopy, or torn edges, or watercolor paper, or bas relief. And there's a couple more down here under stylize, so you can make it look like it has glowing edges. So when you choose these different effects here, as you may notice, over on the right-hand side, there is an option panel that changes based on the options for that particular filter. So if we go down to, where's the thing that we want to pick? If we go to colored pencil, we can actually choose the pencil width, and we can choose the stroke pressure and the paper brightness. Same if we go to like ink outlines, we can do the stroke length and just slide it to where it looks how you want it to look and how the light intensity, and you just get it to where you want it to be. If you like how it is, press OK. If you don't like, press cancel. I think we'll go down to glowing edges again and press OK. So here you see that that dog has had a filter applied to it. Now a filter is destructive. A filter does change that layer forever. So we can use our history up to 20 steps back to change the way it looks. But after that, once we save it and close it out or do a bunch of other steps, we can't ever get that back. So just know that usually we do non-destructive editing in this class, but for filters, it is destructive. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help.